Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your speaker EDIFIER D32 on your Android device. So basically we have only one option, because usually you can check it in the control panel, but right here, as you can see, no information about battery percentages. Also you can check it in the settings. If you go to the Bluetooth or connected devices, you can check it here, and on some devices you can also click at the settings icon or information icon and check it here, but there is again no information. So it happened when you disable to play phone calls, but right here we have no information about phone calls. So I don't know why it happened. So the only one option is to use an application. You need to open EDIFIER CONNECTS app, and of course you need to add your speaker to the application. Then right here you can check battery percentages. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!